Again, the Court of Justice today broke every single law there is, and I will be filing a lawsuit against the Department of Justice because they continue to violate human rights. It's a civil law, and basically today what they said was complete lie. I don't think he even knew the civil law, to be honest. He was asking me that to amend the pleading, I need to get a leave of the court when there was no defense filed, and I'm not adding or deleting any party. um and so anyway, so I'm going to move forward with filing my lawsuit within the next couple of weeks, because this is fraudulent practice, and something needs to be done and looked into it. These people completely ruined my holidays and Christmas. So we'll see how things go. But basically this is really really bad. I was entitled for default judgment today. There's no set aside. My claim is still in default. Wherever this claim may be in the future, the party will have to bring a set aside motion or whatever it is. I don't know what's happening with this claim, but we'll find out sometime next month if what happens. That being said, they are delaying my file in purpose right now, which is again, it's fraudulent practice to delay a proceeding. It breaks every civil law there is, that they are unable to make a decision. So something needs to be looked into, why they're incapable of making a judgment on my file. And especially the fact that where I told them specifically that the law enforcement need to look into it to see if the other party committed fraud. I'm not asking for an arrest warrant, but I have asked for an order for the police to investigate fraudulent practice. However, the judge said that he is not going to move forward and give me an order. Therefore, and I also informed them that it is criminal offense to help somebody to continue to commit fraud, even knowing that the presiding judge, he did not give me an order for the law enforcement to investigate fraud. So, which is really, really bad. So, I will have to move forward with filing a lawsuit, and to be looked into if the Ontario Court of Justice is in fact helping people commit fraud and defraud people out of thousands and thousands of dollars. So I'll keep everyone updated, and I will post my pleadings when it's finished. I'm gonna work on it over the Christmas break right now, in the next couple of weeks. And then I'm going to, before once it's issued, I will block out certain information like my address and the amount that I'm asking, and the name of the judges and stuff, due to privacy. But I will uh, post the pleading on my social media, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Twitter, X, in all of those social media platforms, so that everybody can see what is being done. And I will try to get a leave of the court, but however, I highly doubt the judges will allow that. If they're committing fraud, if they're going to allow um, those information to be released or not. However, that motion record, I will also submit all of that information in court and the outcome of that motion, so that you are aware, what are the information that was filed with the court, and what the judges what excuses they are coming up with in order to um, cover themselves, and what they're saying. So all of that information will be provided also. um, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. If and what they write in the defense and stuff. Even if I'm not able to include the actual defense letter until I have the leave of the court to release all of that information, I will provide as much details as possible of what they write in their paperwork, or at least I'll read it out so that I'm not technically releasing the exact information, so that you know what their defense is. So that being said, I'm going to within the New Year's, probably the first couple of weeks in the New Year's, I will move forward with filing my lawsuit against the Justice Department, because right now I have evidence that, knowing a presiding judge that the other party may have committed fraud, they are not going to move forward. They don't want them investigated, they don't want them caught. In fact, they want to help them make more money. So that is a very serious offense, and that needs to be looked into, that if somebody is helping another party commit fraud, if they should be a judge. The likelihood that they are going to be able to provide justice to people if you're helping somebody commit crime. So these are very serious issues that needs to be addressed in court, and it will be dealt in a proper manner. And hopefully, when I file my lawsuit next month, within the next 3-4 weeks or so, we'll find out how it goes. All right, that's pretty much it. I'll keep everyone updated. Unfortunately, things did not go as planned. I was pretty straightforward. I explained my position. The judge had absolutely no reason to not make a judgment today. However, they decided to do this, so we'll have to address it in a proper way. All right, that's it. Bye.